welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I'm starting with a series of gel candles. Gel candles are very easy to make and also they are very easy to set. Gel candles are basically made from a combination of polymer resin and mineral oil. Gel candles make a beautiful gift for friends, family or for yourself. So let's start.
If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can show us your work by tagging us on Instagram at Jhatpat Crafts.